Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a single cap white gold tooth. This is actually a 10K gold, white gold single cap. You can choose which teeth position that you want it on. This one here is on the canine tooth. You can do top left, top right, bottom. It's up to you. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. It's a handmade piece, so it's designed to fit perfectly. Just that snaps right on your tooth. 10K solid gold, white gold. 10K white gold, guys. Check it out on our website, blingcartel.com. Single cap. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.